Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We previously released a report on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that may impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI-powered stock analysis tool, GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.17. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 7.2%. That means, on average, it has delivered a return of 0.42% per day since being listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. This can provide an excellent opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks through the top trend line at $429.07, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 15.04% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 10.08% and 16.06%. Now, for the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible 35.56% change over the next year. This means there is a potential return between 18.71% and 36.61%. So, after a year, the price range could be anywhere between $504.89 and $581.01. In our latest update on QQQ, we have some interesting news. Red day on Tuesday for QQQ. On Tuesday, the 30th of January 2024, the QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of -0.666%, dropping from $428.15 to $425.30. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.778%, reaching a low of $424.38 and a high of $427.68. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 3.85% gain over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the same day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should generally follow the movement of the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -4 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $14.33 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $429.85, while the lowest price was $285.19. At present, the price is 1.06% or $4.55 below the 52-week high of $429.85, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. It's important to note that if the stock experiences downward corrections, it will find support from the lines at $424.95 and $409.57. However, a breakdown below these levels will trigger sell signals. Moving on, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's worth mentioning that some negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially impact the stock's near-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a -0.666% decline so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Lastly, it is worth noting that the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume aligns with the expected price movements and helps mitigate overall risk. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for QQQ. QQQ, the popular ETF, has a significant level of support at $421.18. This means that when the price reaches this level, there is a good chance it will bounce back up. So if you're considering buying, this could be a promising opportunity. In general, QQQ is traded at a healthy volume, making it a relatively low-risk investment. Its daily price movements are usually small, with yesterday's range being $3.30 or 0.778% of its value. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been around 0.97%. Before we explore the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. One important factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio may suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for QQQ, which is at $425.83. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a new position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point to anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss level for this ETF is set at $409.59, reflecting a decrease of 3.69%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk. However, it's worth noting that the RSI 14 currently stands at 78, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there might be a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we expect the QQQ ETF to open up $0.487 and begin trading at $425.79. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we're eager to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.